Hello friends, welcome to EduTap and also welcome to the lecture 2 of the MCQs series which we have started for IBPS AFO agriculture. This is mains. Subject mains is professional knowledge agriculture. So it is what we are going to do. So in lecture 2 we are going to cover few important agriculture revolutions in India. So friends, before starting with the session, I have a small announcement. We at EduTap, we are going to launch courses for AFO 2020 very soon. For further any details or queries, you can visit our site www.edutap.co.in. So now let's start with the session. So friends, the first question for today's lecture is what is Black Revolution related to? Black Revolution, is it coal or cement or black dye from plants or petroleum or none of the above? And here the correct answer is petroleum. Black Revolution is related to petroleum and petroleum products, especially biodiesel. And the Black Revolution is related to, as you can see, crude oil, petrol production, especially production of biofuels. And the basic aim is to increase the amount of crude oil production or to produce biofuels especially. So friends, next question says what is brown revolution related to? Is it fish production or non-conventional energy source or cement or cattle welfare? And the correct answer is brown revolution is related to non-conventional energy sources. And what are the various non-conventional energy sources? They are wind, sun, water, geothermal, biomass, all these from these non-conventional energy can be created, and these are the sources of renewable energy that does not cause any environmental pollution. But here there's a catch. The brown revolution is sometimes also associated with organic farming and improving soil quality, and in few places brown revolution is also being associated with the increase of production of coffee, development of leather industry and cocoa production. But here in India, brown revolution is related to non-conventional energy resources. So friends, the next question says what is grey revolution related to? Grey revolution is related to fertilizers. Yes, manures. And so friends, here the grey revolution refers to increased fertilizer production and also along with that sustainable development of fertilizers, and also to counter the effect of green revolution in India, where in some places unscrupulous use of fertilizers was seen, thereby degrading the soil condition. So to avoid that or to counter effect that, this grey revolution was introduced, wherein judicious use of fertilizers was advised to the farmers. So friends, next comes is what is silver fiber revolution related to? Silver fiber revolution is related to cotton, and that is Gossypium species, and with this the cultivation and the production of cotton was increased tremendously in India. So friends, here comes the next question. What is yellow revolution related to? And do you know who is the father of yellow revolution? It is Sam Pitroda. He's an agriculture scientist and he is considered to be the father of yellow revolution, which is about oil seeds, which is about all about oil seeds, wherein to increase, this is to increase the production of oil seeds. Like as you can see, there are various oil seeds that I have mentioned here: jatropha, groundnut, mustard, soybean, sunflower, sesame, the brown or white safflower, castor, all these comes under oil seeds. And the oil seeds sudden increase in India has witnessed a dramatic turn because of the hybrid oil seeds that were introduced. Now India has achieved a self-sufficient status regarding oil seeds, and in few cases it has started even exporting the same to other countries as well. So friends, in the last video, I have asked you a question in the series, that is question of the day, and which says silicon is considered to be highly beneficial in which crop growth. And today in this video, I am going to take you through the answer under the series answer of the day. And I have seen that most of you have answered it very well. Very good. And yes, the correct answer is rice, but silicon is considered as a beneficial element, though it doesn't come under either primary or secondary nutrients, especially for crops under Poaceae family. And rice is a typical silicon accumulating plant, and this silicon is absorbed in rice in the form of monosilicic acid, and its transportation in rice plant is governed by these three genes. And this silicon is deposited beneath the cuticle as cuticle silicon double layer in the form of silicic acid. As you can see, there is rough texture of rice leaves. And how does it helps? It improves the tolerance of rice plant to abiotic and biotic stresses. Hence, silicon management is essential for increasing and sustaining rice productivity. So if there is any deficiency of silicon in the soils, definitely the farmer has to apply silicon. Now the next question under the question of the day series, what is currency paper made up of in India? This is a question. Okay, I'll give you a small hint here. You can search RBI site. There you can find the correct answer. All the best. So thank you very much friends for watching this video, and if you have any queries, please write to us at hello@edutap.co.in, and if you have any queries, you can even reach us at the number given here. Thank you very much.